Hey everybody, I'm here today with my M96 Swedish Mauser, chambered in 6.5 by 55. These are a little bit of an overlooked gem in the Mauser world. You hear a lot of talk about German Mausers especially, but these are a really great example. As you may remember from my video on the Jungmann, Swedish firearms are excellent quality and they didn't see a whole lot of action, so they're generally in really good shape. This one for an M96 is actually not in the greatest shape. It's got a few bumps and bruises on the stock, but generally you'll find them in mint or near mint condition. These are an excellent first military rifle for a starting collector. They're in great shape, they're excellent shooters. I've never seen one that wasn't really accurate, and they tend to go for a few $100s less than anything else. Accessories are really available for them. It's not hard to find slings, bayonets, things like that, and you won't pay an arm and a leg. So for those reasons, I would highly recommend one if you're looking to get into collecting military rifles. I stopped by Ikea last night and picked up a few things to shoot at. So first we have Drick Pack Must. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna butcher these things. Apologies to any Swedes out there. Hops and malt flavored carbonated drink. We've got cider Perom, Swedish pear cider drink. It's organic. This should go up nice. And classic Drake Lingonberry drink. Let's go blow some up. All right, let's survey the damage. Well, RIP, little bunny dudes. Not much left of the lingonberries. Oh, wow. I split open pretty good. Nice. I'd say my tripod bore the brunt of that. My phone wasn't much better. Well, there we go, guys. Another one in the books. That was a lot of fun. I gotta say, that was probably my favorite rifle so far that I've ever shot. I don't know what it is about the Swedes. They're just a really smooth, accurate, fun to shoot gun. So I'm looking forward to doing another video on a Swede in the future. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you later.